So I hope you're having a good trading week so far, and I'm going to show you my top 4 setups for this trading week. Starting with Euro USD, we've got a 1 hour inverted head and shoulders rejecting the weekly support zone that I've got marked down the bottom here in grey. So at the minute, all I'm waiting for is the pullback into the 4 hour 50, and then I'll be looking for candlestick confirmation to send me long for a 1 to 4. Next, we're moving on to AUD CAD. I did have long trades shaped up for this last week, but now our bias has changed, and that will happen week to week on setup. So currently, price has now dropped below the 4 hour 50 and the daily 50 with a nice rejection to the weekly 50 itself. So all I'm waiting for here is a pullback, as you can see, back into that daily 50 on the 1 hour time frame, and then if we can get 1 hour confirmation from candlesticks, then I'll be going short to the neckline of the big double tops. ADJPY, 2 setups on this. I was looking for a short-term short down to the weekly 50, and then obviously a longer-term long all the way back up to that resistance zone. You can see that price has now pulled back and rejected the 4 hour 50 EMA twice with 2 lovely candlestick rejections. So I was looking for a short-term short. At the minute, you can see we had the 15-minute time frame pullback with the morning start. I'm waiting to see if we can get a second pullback into there. Normally, like on 15-minute time frame, 2 pullbacks just gives me extra confirmation. Like we have here, we have 2 rejections. If we can get 2 pullbacks here, as you can see, and get a nice short trade, that means I got my stop loss way above the highs and grab a lovely short trade for a 1 to 2. Euro NZD. So this also was looking for a short trade last week. I was going to see if price could break below the 4 hour 50 through this trend line and then come back down to test the daily 50 again for a bigger time frame pullback. Price has not done that. It's now created a new higher high. So all we're going to do is just go with the market, wait for the pullback into the double zone, and then just trade from the double zone up to the next high. So lovely, just going with the flow and the Elliott waves. So that's the 4 setups I'm looking at this week. Remember to have a good trading week and only risk 1% across all trading capital.